We are celebrating our 20th year at Ujamaa, and where we have come from is just amazing, from the size of projects, the number of people that we have, the projects that we have, and the lives that we affected in a very positive way.
This evening is about growth. It's about where we came from, where we are, and where we're going.
You hear about all the crazy stuff that keeps happening in our city that we love so much. And I've always believed that there's a way that construction can be more than just bricks and nails and drywall, right? You could use it to rebuild communities and rebuild people and give back to people and provide hope.
We go out and we talk to these students that are black and brown, and when they see people that look exactly like them, that's in this industry, and we're building in their neighborhoods, and we're hiring individuals that come from those neighborhoods. We're basically showing them that we have a space here in the construction industry. That's a part of the job that I really love.
You just meet people and you open your heart to them and you share what the world can be. And if they believe it and they open their hearts to somebody else, you begin to have a family.
I always say that Jimmy and I work for you all. So my hat is off to you guys for allowing us the ability to do what we've done. So thank you very much.
One thing I really enjoy about working at Ujamaa and a growing company in general is the opportunity to teach the younger people that come within the organization and work with them to make them the best professionals they can be.
This new group is like my new babies. You know, I love to see the new people come and then the older people as myself mature and be able to train the younger people.
In order for this growth to continue, we need younger people standing up here. It's not us anymore. That's the next big thing for Ujamaa. It's not us anymore. It's about you now.
We are experiencing a great year right now. We're going to be busy for at least the next 3 years with the workload that we're putting together currently.
I think the Southeast is going to explode. We are on a roll. We are going to the top. We are definitely making our footsteps be known, and I can't say anything less.
The growth of the people and the new people that are coming in and their excitement about working for Ujamaa, and it's just a whole experience. I see nothing but great things for Ujamaa Construction and Ujamaa Southeast.